Adding a mirror to your room is always a good choice, and I have two excellent options for you. So starting in my first bathroom, this one is from Arcus Home. It's a 24-inch round mirror. It's got this nice thick black frame. It's excellent for a bathroom because it is water resistant. On to my other bathroom. This one is from Grosson. It is also a 24-inch round mirror. This one has a little extra detail on the frame. It's kind of got a beveled edge, but same matte black finish. It also has a very clear image. As far as mounting, Arcus Home kind of blew me away. It came with all of the tools needed to mount it. There were many different options, very sturdy. It even had a template to mount it. So excellent attention to detail here. Grosson also came with the anchor and the screw that you needed, and it only had one mounting option. So this way is very simple and straightforward. So they look very similar. They're the same size, same black finish, both beautiful choices. I'm pleased with the quality of each of them, so I think you'll be thrilled with either option, or get both for each bathroom like I did.